Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best USB-C chargers. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the USB-C chargers in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to register with your email address on the page linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best USB-C chargers on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the Belin 45W USB-C charger. Belin's charger has a white exterior that makes it look straight out of Apple's lineup, but that's not why it stands out. The brand's charger has programmable power supply, PPS technology, which can help extend the life of a device's battery by reducing energy waste and heat generation during charging, resulting in a more efficient charge. It also features Power Delivery 3.0 to powerfully and efficiently charge a broader range of devices. This Belin features 2 USB-C ports and can deliver a total of 45 watts of output. Either port can provide 45 watts when charging a single device, but when charging 2 devices, the top port provides 25 watts, while the bottom provides 20. For Apple users, the charger supports the iPhone 15 series and older, plus the 15-inch MacBook Air with M2. Belin says its charger is optimized for Apple, Samsung, and Nintendo Switch, but will work with a range of other devices. Coming in at number 5, UGREEN NEXO 140 USB-C charger. UGREEN's NEXO is powerful enough to charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro and other mobile devices at the same time. It features 3 ports, 1 USB-A and 2 USB-C. The bottom USB-C port, for example, fast charges that 16-inch MacBook Pro when connected with Apple's MagSafe 3 cable. Fast charging gives Apple's laptop up to 50% battery in as little as 30 minutes. In other words, UGREEN's model is the perfect device to declutter a workspace or backpack and provides flexibility for powering multiple devices. I've used it at my desk for over a year to charge my 14-inch MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, and wireless charger. It's so convenient to reduce the number of chargers I need. Compared to the others here, UGREEN's charger is heavy. Still, that's the trade-off for all that capacity. Coming at number 4, Anker Prime 100W USB-C charger. Similar to the UGREEN, Anker's Prime is an excellent solution for laptop users who need to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The high-capacity charger has 3 ports, 1 USB-A and 2 USB-C, and can deliver 100 watts. What makes the Anker Prime a good choice for multiple devices is that USB-A port, which can support older cables such as USB-A to Lightning. While a chunk of the industry is moving to USB-C, it's nice to have support for older ports to ease the transition. Another benefit of the Prime is the size. When you compare this charger to Apple's 96-watt adapter, Anker's model is impressively 43% smaller, making it a space-saving companion for travel. Though the charger is compatible with newer laptops, Anker says it does not support MagSafe charging for MacBooks with an M2 chip. Instead, the brand recommends using a USB-C cable to USB-C cable. Number 3, Anker 523 Nano 3 USB-C charger. A travel charger should be small but powerful while accommodating multiple devices. The 523 Nano 3 fits the bill, featuring 2 ports with a total output of 47 watts. 1 USB-C port can output 27, while the other puts out 20. This makes it possible to fast charge an iPhone and iPad at the same time. Meanwhile, the 523 offers a maximum output of 45 watts when charging via a single port. Anker's 523 is roughly the size of Apple's 20-watt model, giving you an idea of how small the brand can make its chargers thanks to UGREEN technology. That's why this is such a solid pick for travel. It offers a space-saving design, yet delivers sufficient power to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Like our top pick, Anker 511, the 523 has a safety feature that can monitor the charger's temperature throughout the day, ensuring it doesn't overheat. Coming at number 2, Amazon Basics 20W USB-C charger. For budget-conscious consumers, the Amazon Basics 20W USB-C charger is a compelling option. Priced around $12, it offers an affordable solution without compromising on quality, with a 20-watt output capable of handling the charging needs of most flagship devices. However, it's important to note that it may not provide fast charging for some gadgets, like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which requires a 25-watt charger for fast charging, or a 45-watt charger for super fast charging. While Amazon's charger doesn't incorporate UGREEN technology, it remains a practical choice for overnight smartphone or tablet charging. The absence of UGREEN means it's slightly larger than some premium chargers. Still, it does come with the convenience of foldable prongs, making it a safe and portable addition in a backpack or luggage. Number 1. Anker 511 Nano 3 USB-C charger. The 511 Nano 3 is a compact powerhouse, delivering 30 watts in a charger no bigger than a golf ball, if the golf ball were square. The charger includes UGREEN tech, allowing Anker to shrink it down while delivering enough of that wattage to charge a smartphone quickly. For example, the 511 can charge Apple's iPhone 15 series from empty to 50% in around 30 minutes. The charger can also provide enough power to sustain an iPad Pro or MacBook Air in a pinch. Did we mention the Anker 511 is small? In addition to its diminutive size, the charger has foldable prongs, making it an excellent choice for travel. The 511 also includes a safety feature that monitors the charger's temperature over 3 million times per day, Anker says. Many people only need a basic USB-C charger for their phone, and thanks to the 511's design, price, and overall performance, it's our best overall pick. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best USB-C chargers. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you liked this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.